In this demand-driven era, logistics companies are facing some major challenges to meet the demand for faster deliveries. The demand for same-day delivery is growing by 36% annually. Due to this, logistics companies face issues like low real-time visibility, poor turnaround time adherence, time-taking documentation, bottlenecked procedures, and poor vehicle sequencing and long queues and much more. But now you can resolve all these problems with our series of Rapid solutions. Rapid series by Cronje. RapidMove, manage your fleets effectively. Rapid track your fleets on the road clearly. RapidWay, streamline all your payment solutions. And
RapidPay,
smoothen all invoicing and billing processes. RapidMove by Cronje. RapidMove allows you to avoid queues and delays and get smoother material flow with the easy slot-based vehicle sequencing facility. Vehicle scheduling considering real-time inventory and dock availability. Go eco-friendly with the paperless check-in check-out feature. Flexibility to prioritize inbound processes such as vehicle inspections, payment and quality evaluation for critical products. Select the right vehicle for your operations with the machine learning-based appointment scheduling feature. Manage all your logistics operations remotely with the multi-purpose dashboard. Get a clear picture of time consumption with our Smart Turnaround Time Evaluator. Enable multiple users to access data anytime, anywhere with our intelligent cloud-based system. Receive clear insight of the material flow with this convenient inbound and outbound tracker. RapidMove by Cronje. Managing your fleet is now easier than ever.